The man that was shot in Glaze and St. Elizabeth on Friday night has been identified. Hi again and welcome. This is Links of 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police have identified a man who was shot dead by a gunman at a restaurant in Glazeland near Nain in St. Elizabeth on Friday night. He has been identified as 29-year-old Dwayne Brooks, otherwise called Dr. Do, of Lettice St. Elizabeth, a community on the Manchester-St. Elizabeth border. Reports are that at about 6:30 p.m., Brooks was at a restaurant when he was pounced upon by a gunman. The gunman opened fire, hitting Brooks multiple times before fleeing the scene. Brooks was taken to the hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. It has also been reported that Brooks is the seventh family member to lose his life within a matter of years to gun-related violence. A few years ago, Brooks lost four brothers and also two cousins as it relates to gun-related crimes. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.